Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's so good to be here with you again.
Today's topic is very exciting. We are going to practice daily English conversation so you can speak like a native.
Oh, wow, that sounds amazing. I really want to speak like a native. But Emily, is it really possible?
Yes, Paul, it is possible, but you need practice, patience, and confidence.
I think confidence is my biggest problem.
That's very normal. Many learners feel the same. So today, we will talk, practice, and learn together.
I like that. So friends, don't just listen. Try to speak with us.
Yes, repeat after us when you can. It will really help you. Let's start simple. Paul, how was your day today?
My day was good. I woke up early and had breakfast.
Nice. That's a great sentence. Very simple and clear.
Can we make it better?
Yes, you can say, my day was good. I woke up early and had a nice breakfast.
Oh, nice breakfast. That sounds better.
Yes, adding small words makes your English more natural.
Emily, can I ask you something?
Of course.
What does natural mean?
Good question. Natural means how real people speak in daily life.
Ah, so not like a textbook.
Exactly. Not like a robot, like a real person.
Okay, I want to sound natural, not like a robot. Beep, beep.
Yes, no robot English. Now, let's try a real-life situation.
Okay, I'm ready.
You meet a new person. What do you say?
I say, hello, my name is Paul.
Perfect. Then?
Nice to meet you.
Great. Very natural.
What if I feel shy?
That's okay. You can smile. A smile helps a lot.
So English is not just words, it's also feeling.
Yes, very important point.
Emily, let me tell you a small story.
I love your stories. Tell me.
Yesterday, I went to a coffee shop.
Nice. What happened?
I wanted to order coffee in English, but I got nervous.
Oh no. What did you say?
I said, give me coffee.
That's okay, but it sounds a little direct.
Yes, the man looked at me like, nah.
A better way is, can I have a coffee, please?
Ah, that sounds polite.
Yes, please makes it polite. Let's practice together. Can I have a coffee, please?
Emily, I have a question for everyone watching.
Yes, go ahead.
What do you say when you order food? Think about it.
Great question. You can comment below later. Now, let's learn a useful phrase. How are you?
That's very common.
Yes, and answers can be, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm great.
What about I'm okay?
Yes, that's also good. It means not bad, not great.
Emily, sometimes people say, what's up?
Yes, that's informal.
What does it mean?
It means, how are you? Or what are you doing?
So if someone says, what's up, I don't need to look up, right?
No, Paul, don't look at the sky. Now, let's talk about daily routine.
Okay.
Paul, what do you do every morning?
I wake up, brush my teeth, and drink tea.
Perfect sentence.
Can I improve it?
Yes, I wake up early, brush my teeth, and drink a cup of tea.
Oh, a cup of tea. That sounds better.
Let me ask the viewers, what do you do every morning?
Yes, think about it.
You can say, I wake up at 7. I go to work. I eat breakfast.
Paul, I want to speak more, but I feel scared.
Why?
I think I will make mistakes.
Listen carefully. Mistakes are good.
Really?
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
That reminds me of something.
Tell me.
Last week, I said, I am boring.
Oh no.
Everyone laughed.
Because I am boring means you are boring.
Oh, I wanted to say I feel bored.
Yes, correct sentence is, I am bored.
Small difference, big meaning.
Exactly. Now, let's learn I am bored means I feel no interest. I am boring means I make others bored.
Wow, that's important.
Now, let's add one more situation.
Okay.
You are at a shop. You need help.
I say, help me.
That sounds like an emergency.
Oh,
Better, can you help me, please?
yes, that sounds nicer.
We are learning something very important today.
What is that?
Simple English plus polite words equals natural English.
Paul, I feel more confident now.
That's amazing.
But I want to learn more in part 2.
Yes, because in part 2, we will talk about real conversations, confidence, and one powerful story.
Oh, I love stories.
So stay with us.
Don't go anywhere. If you are still here, that means you are serious about learning English.
Yes, and we are proud of you.
Let's continue. Emily, what is the most important thing to speak like a native?
Confidence.
Again, confidence.
Yes, even simple English sounds great with confidence.
Let me tell a story.
Go ahead.
I met a man who spoke very simple English,
Okay,
but he spoke with confidence. Everyone understood him.
that's the key.
He didn't use big words, just clear words.
Now, let's practice real conversation.
Okay.
You meet a friend.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm great. What are you doing?
I'm learning English.
That's so simple, but very useful.
Now, let's learn a new phrase. What do you mean
When do we use that?
when you don't understand something?
Very useful. Emily, sometimes I hear fast English.
Yes, that is hard.
What can I say?
You can say, "Can you speak slowly, please?"
That is very helpful.
Now, a funny moment.
Oh no.
What happened when you said sheet wrong?
Emily, don't remind me. I wanted to say sheet, but I said something else.
Yes, pronunciation is important. Now, let's help viewers. Speak slowly, listen carefully, practice daily.
Emily, give one life tip.
Okay, speak every day, even for 5 minutes.
That's easy.
Yes, small steps equals big progress. Now, let's summarize.
We learned simple sentences.
We learned polite phrases.
We learned confidence is key.
And mistakes are okay.
I feel ready to speak English now.
That's amazing. If you enjoyed this video,
Please like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and comment below. What is one sentence you will use today?
We love reading your comments.
See you next time.
Keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.